What's happening, YouTube? Told y'all I'd be back. But quick introduction. It's a new little series I want to do, I guess, maybe once a month. 7 days with myself. I think that's got a good ring to it. So for the next 7 days, I will be documenting trucking, whether I'm at home, whatever it is. I'm gonna take y'all along with me through parts of my day. And yeah, so seven days, 7 uploads. I hope y'all enjoy it. Today, let me see, got about 500-mile drive. I'm in Colorado. I don't even know how to pronounce the town, so I'm not even gonna try it. It's like Wellensburg or some junk. I'm on the 25. I'm on my way up to Roosevelt, Utah with a load of sucker rod, some oil field stuff. And yeah, so we're gonna try to get there tonight, park up, deliver in the morning. And I don't know where I'm gonna load at tomorrow. Gillette, Wyoming, bounce over to Salt Lake. I don't know, it's options. So yeah, today will be nothing but mostly driving. A lot of beautiful scenery out here. I wish I would have got some yesterday, but I was in a hurry. Today a little more relaxed. I already pre-tripped my truck. She's warming up. Nice and clean, tidy, bed made. I'm ready to roll. So I'm gonna show y'all a little bit behind me. You can see the mountains off in the distance and all that good stuff. And then we're gonna get out of here. Quite windy, but I hope y'all can still hear me all right. Beautiful mountain off to the left, or sorry, to the left. Straight ahead. They super far off in the distance. It look way better in person. And to my right, very nice. So like I said, we're heading in that direction either way it goes. So see some beautiful stuff today, and I hope y'all enjoy it. So let's go. So it's break time. Let's cross the road before this car comes. Beautiful backdrop, beautiful scenery. Fucking love it out here. What can I say, man? I fucking love it out here. It's so many different pull-offs. I wouldn't make it nowhere if I stopped at every one. Beautiful. Go Colorado. I ain't gonna read all that. Y'all wanna pause the camera or whatever, or pause the video. A little bit of history, a little bit of where I'm at, trails and all that good stuff. This side is burnt from the sun. Granite Country. Guess they did granite. But what I'm most stoked about is the fucking water. So we got freaking, well, it ain't really snowing no more, but it was. I'm up here on I-70 in Vail, on Vail, I should say. I lost the windshield wiper, so I got this temporary fix. I gotta go out and fix it because I'm trying to keep it from scratching my windshield, but I need my wiper on the driver's side, man. I can't be riding out here like that, so. Fun times, man, fun times. Vail Pass in July.
Look here, you big dummy.
I-70, Denver, or west of Denver. And this is going to be our ending. About 100 miles out from my receiver. I plan on parking up tonight, but as you can see, the truck is parked there, and nice little scenery behind me, and I'm pretty sure you see the trail behind me now. And yeah, this is where I ended off, man. If don't nothing else keep me out here on the road, it's stuff like this. I got time to kill, of course, so I'm gonna take a walk down here and enjoy it, man. I took a bunch of pictures. I'll probably put them in here somewhere. Probably put them at the end of the video. Bunch of pictures. I kind of walked up there, not super far, but somewhat as far as I could without getting too far, you know. So I'll share them all off the iPhone. I want me a real camera, like a Canon or a Nikon or something. Nothing professional grade, just something real amateur that I can shoot some good shots with, and I'll be happy with it. But man, this shit is breathtaking, man. Like I said, this is what keeps me freaking out here. Like, I wish I had a chair and some more time to kill. But I mean, look at it. Just amazing. It's gnats everywhere. They ain't bothering me. Somebody over there fishing. I could stand here all day, man. And then the sun is setting. It's beautiful. So, like I said, that's it. We'll be more tomorrow. We'll be unloading. Hopefully we get a reload without bouncing super far. We can come across some more stuff like this. So if y'all like it, man, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and I'll be back with more. I hope y'all enjoyed it, man. Stay easy. Peace.